Hello, welcome to Business Reporter's The Future of Financial Services and Banking campaign. I'm Ashley Blake. We live in a hyper-digital age, but the call centre is still the backbone of any successful B2C operation. Few companies can survive, let alone thrive, without giving customers the option of picking up the phone and getting quality personal support quickly when they need it. Call centres are crucial, but they're also very expensive and hard to scale. So how can companies increase the quality of their customer support while keeping their costs in check? That's what we'll discuss with Kun Wu, co-founder and managing director of AI Rudder. It's 2022, the age of global trade, e-commerce and chatbots. Customers expect fast and smooth services, and still they often feel that brands are underperforming and their customer service is, weak. Why is high-quality customer support a challenge for companies, do you think?
The challenge is scalability and availability of using the old way to run call centers, where you have hundreds or more human reps. But thanks to today's internet and cell phone, we can't use the old way of running call centers anymore because you have connectivity everywhere. People are using cell phone to access to different service providers. And for these service providers, they have to use some new technology or solution to run the call centers to serve millions or more of their consumers.
So what are the consequences of these challenges?
A very natural consequence is you have unhappy customers. And when you have unhappy customers, different bad things will happen. The first is customer will leave you and go to your competitors. The second thing is your revenue, your business measures will be hampered. And the last thing is because of the internet, social media and everything, people will learn about you and your poor customer service.
Surely all businesses must scale and offer a 24/7 globally accessible service. How do you develop the solutions?
I think the best solution is to use artificial intelligence in your call centers. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is just a piece of software running in machines where you can make it run 24/7 without any downtime, and you can duplicate it as much as possible so that you don't have the availability or scalability problems. And AI can work just like your human reps in call centers, where it can have back and forth, multi-round interactive conversation with the customers to solve their problems. Voice AI robot is human-like in that 99% of the customers, when talking to our voice AI robot, they will not realize they are talking to machine instead of people. Currently, our AI robot can make more than 200,000 telephone calls within an hour, serving more than 200 customers in 20 different countries, speaking 30 different languages.
Right, okay, these are big numbers and bold claims. Can you give us an example of your voice AI in action?
One example is loan collection using voice AI robot. Many times when financial service providers want to reach to their customers, they have to dispatch a lot of call center reps to do that. But when they have millions of loan borrowers, when it comes to those small cash loans or consumer loans, then they can use voice AI robot to automate the operations. And we can use very friendly and natural voice AI robots to remind the customers to pay their loan back in time.
What's the customer feedback so far?
The feedback is very encouraging. The first feedback is we can use voice AI robot to automate such a massive operation so that the ROI model or the repayment rate for our customers can really justify the cost of adopting voice AI robot. And the second feedback is their customers are generally more happy in listening and interacting with voice AI robots simply because our robot, like I said, are very friendly and natural and considerate.
Surely most business decision makers will agree with the value of AI, but are they aware of the costs as well? What's the ROI?
The investment of adopting voice AI is very minimal in the sense that our customers don't need to buy any software, hardware, anything like that. They can use our service directly. We just need to customize what they want using our technology, and we can do that in 1 or 2 months' time.
What will the call center and customer experience look like in, say, 3 to 5 years' time?
The future call center will have 2 parts. The first part is traditional human part, and second part is the AI and technology part. We'll use AI and technology to automate the workflow and automate many engagement with customers, solving 80% of the common questions and requests.